collection, and this is my Angry Bird collection. First one I have is Bombird. It's a hanger, and you can put him on your windows. I just dropped him. You can put him on your windows like this. Whoa, that was cool. Just do that the camera. Not again. And I see my mom and my dad do it with a yellow bird, but I lost him. It's good I had this guy. This is what I would need it. It makes 3 sounds. The birds make 3 sounds, the pigs make 1 sound. The yellow bird. I play with the beak a lot, and in Angry Birds Star Wars, he's Han Solo Bird. Han Solo Bird's friend is Chewbacca Bird, and Chewbacca Bird is Big Brother Bird. River has the Big Brother Bird. And if River has the Big Brother Bird, I have a 12-inch puffed up orange bird. It's so big. What other inches are there? There's 5-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch. There's 5-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch. 16 inches are way bigger. I wish I had one of the Big Brother Bird or Chewbacca Bird, so I could make a movie with them. The Chewbacca. So this is my puffed up orange bird. It's comfy like a pillow. And my friend. And this is my puffed up orange bird. Put him to a side. And the next one is Mustache Pig. The first one. That always happens. I might have to clean that up. Oh. And here's my. Look at that. The Mustache Pig. Remember when I had this guy? He makes 3 sounds, he makes 1 sound. The sound that he makes it. That's the sound he makes. It sounds like a piggy. And it moves. This is my brother's playing piggy. The next one I have is Luke Skywalker Bird. And this is a 5-inch. I asked her to come in 8 inches, but my dad and my mom bought this for me, and it was I'm trying to remember. Yeah, it was get out of there. And this was a 5-inch, and if I had this guy, I might get one of. I might get this guy. Chewbacca Bird. He's a Wookiee. Something on Angry Birds just said, help the Wookiee win, and he's the Wookiee. This is River's Princess Firebird, the only one that he has in Star Wars. He hoped to get this River. He hoped to get a Han Solo bird, 5-inch, but I hope I'll get a 16-inch one. I hope I'll get a 16-inch of these, so it could be bigger. When it's for the 8-inch Han Solo bird, he will look like a Chihuahua bird. The Star Wars birds do not make sound. Next one I have is Redbird. Here's Redbird. He's a hanger just like the Bombird. His hanger is so big. This is Redbird. This is Redbird. That's River's Orange Bird. And he's kind of like this one. My big guy. This is Redbird. Whee! And the last one I have is, I have two more left. I have a baby white bird. I call him baby white bird because he's kind of like a baby. And I gotta tell you that River has 11 birds. I have just 9. So he has to give one to me. So we can get double. 11 plus 9 equals 20. I'll get it. Oh, yay! Nothing. That's his father. Oh, I thought I dropped something. This baby white bird and a big white bird. And this is kind of like a finger puppet. Hello. I'm a baby.
Hello.
Father, come back here. I'm here. I love you. So this is my baby white bird. And we're going to sell these. We're going to just sell a few of them for the giveaway. We're going to sell the puffed up, not this one. We're going to sell the puffed up orange bird, the Luke Skywalker bird, and the mustache pig. If you weren't one of the winners, you can win one of these for free. Good luck. Subscribe. So these are the ones that you can get from the so it's so squishy. Oh, this is Tika. Oh, I forgot to do the big ending. Pika. This is the Chica. And Chica right there. And I'm not going to sell this one for the giveaway.
I'm not going to sell this one for the giveaway either.
This is a Luke Skywalker bird. It's a lightsaber. Oh, that looks like a Chinese way.
Could you please review mine?
If you want to see River's movie, click right here. And if you want to see his bloopers, click right here. And if you want to see the Millennium Falcon movie, click here. And click right here. Right here. And if you want to see all the other videos, click right on one of these. And if you want to see our knocking down video with my new poster.